If your Chevy Silverado USB port has stopped charging or connecting, here is how to troubleshoot the issue in under 3 minutes. Studies show that up to 80% of USB connectivity issues are resolved with basic cleaning or a quick fuse reset. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly why your port went dark. Start by clearing out any lint and verifying your cable is not the culprit before digging into the truck electrical system. These are the 3 most frequent points of failure I see on the Silverado platform. Sometimes the infotainment software just needs a hard reset to reinitialize the USB controller. Most of these fixes are free, but if you have a wiring short, it is time to call a professional. A simple fuse is pennies, but replacing the HMI module is a significant investment. If you have a multimeter, verify that the port is actually receiving power before assuming the module is dead. Keep these tools in your truck to handle most electrical gremlins on the road. Always disconnect your battery before performing any electrical work to prevent accidental shorts. If these steps did not resolve your issue, you likely have a deeper wiring fault. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.